Who is missing from here?
Sir, Ritvik Sharma.
From here, who is missing? Shan is there. Shan, you were supposed to sit in the front bench now. Yes. Yeah, this one. So,
Yes, sir.
sit down, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Stand up. Did you take the homework?
Yes, sir.
Ishani, stand up. Did you take the homework? Okay. So you take up. All of them done.
Sir, some are doing.
Some are doing. What does it mean?
My questions are remaining and pushed out.
Remaining all
Yes,
done.
sir. Sir, you can check, sir.
I reject. Then why you reject?
Sir, I did.
The boys are sincere.
Voice is
Accept them. Sir,
What?
see if you want.
What?
Yeah.
Tell no, all of them are done.
But sometimes they have doubts of the question like that.
Utkarsh, what is the homework?
My homework exercise 3.7 question 1 to 10.
1 to 10. Homework exercise 3 points. Sit down. Your book is checked by her. She took and checked on this. She has homework is done or not. Sit down. Priya Standard. Your book is checked by him. Or he asked whether you did the homework or not.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. He took.
You are there. He took the book and checked. You have done the homework. What is done? Where is it? Is it done over here or at home? Did it?
At home.
Right. Did it at home?
Have.
Huh?
No.
What is it? Huh? Priyanshi, how many questions you are down? Only one. Which question? Falgun, how many doubts are there? One, some are down. Please. Yeah. Now, listen, you how many some more to do?
Sir, 7, sir. Not 7, sir. 5.
Five.
We didn't pass.
Now, listen, all of you. Then by the next day, you complete that exercise. After that, I clarify your doubts and difficulties. Okay. And plus, second part of the homework. Exercise from Ishani or Ahmed. Take your notebook and hold it. There is it. Why people are big coming?
So that's the deleted post.
Deleted word. Give me your thing, notebook. Give me one.
Notebook.
Then I tell you. But he's not nice girl. Hi, how? Come.
Bye.
Get that.
Sir, it's not bad, sir.
Huh? Just standard.
Sir, together, sir.
Just standard. Bring the notebook and note.
Sir, volume.
Huh?
Also volume.
You want to hold it, no? Or doesn't want to hold it? Don't worry about your attendance. Down. Yeah.
Sir, where?
All of you come on bench there.
Yes, sir.
But you know,
Yes, sir.
Ah,
याद कर
yeah. Now,
सर्वे
if you
Bye.
now listen, are you ready? Now, look here. From first, second lecture only you want.
Yes, I'm not.
Okay, so I'm not going. Now, Shrikant. So okay. Now, second, so you have been sign everywhere, okay, and pass it now. All four is signed. But second one you are not signed.
You did direct the students, so that you have to sign.
Okay, now last day why did you sign that? That time you could go. Okay, second time done lecture is. Now, we can't begin talking. So exercise 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 till 3.7. Whichever the word problems are there, if you are not done, you have to do it. Understood what is the homework? 3.7 complete, as well as 3.127, whichever, most of them you must have done. One or two not done, you do it, then, and if you are not in, because there are important questions are there, quite a lot of people in the classroom. Please do it, and whichever the doubts are there, tell me. Okay, your next chapter, so already testing is done for which one? Real numbers and polynomials. The next is your linear equation is coming. In any week it will come, so that is why, so be prepared. Okay, start slowly, prepare that one. Alright, okay. So we started with the triangles now. In the last class, we standard, Shrikant standard. We discussed about the similar polygon now. Okay, what are similar polygon? Huh? Hello, what are similar? Hello, what are you looking about? Okay, what are similar polygon? Loudly. Talking and all is not for studies also you have to do it. Otherwise punishment, otherwise I will shift your place to this time.
Similar polygons are those which have a similar shape but have different sizes.
That is not the definition we have given. Yes, Aditya. See, Atharva.
When two polygons which are same number of sides and when same number of sides and its angles are equal but their sides are in proportion.
Correct. So two polygons of same number of sides. Two polygons of same number of sides are said to be similar if the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are in same ratio or corresponding sides are proportional. It's very difficult to tell. Not the same shape. Okay, that is over. That is similar objects. Similar polygon happen. Then we share this. Sit down, all of you. Renuka, revising anything? Yes or no? No, you still keep talking. Done. I just big bad words. So we are talking about the similar polygon. Okay, once again. First condition is similar polygon means what are the conditions said? Polygons of same number of sides. What is the meaning of same number of sides? A triangle can be similar to a triangle only. That way same number of sides. Quadrilateral can be similar to a quadrilateral only. Pentagon can be similar to a pentagon. Neil,
Yes, sir.
are you listening?
Yes, sir.
There are other two. Manav is there. Manav, Manaswini are there. Hey, who are these new people I'm seeing? I didn't see only. Pragna, you know. She was there in the last class. Oh, sorry. Who is there? Aruma, what your name was last class was something different.
Nataila, but there is no option to rename myself. That's fine.
All right, okay. Gupta, I'll call you Gupta. No problem, no? I forgot your name. What is your name? I forgot.
Sir, it's Nataila.
Nataila. Okay, because there is a new name for me. Okay, chalo. Listen, Anshul is there, Abdul is there. Okay, Neil is there. Right now, where is Manav and Manaswini? Your friend, no? You only know. They are in Chennai.
Sir, he was busy yesterday.
He was, actually, you know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. So this one, that is the first condition. Now one more condition. Listen carefully. if I write quadrilateral A, B, C, D is similar to what is written? Quadrilateral A, B, C, D is similar to quadrilateral PQRS. Its meaning is, you stand up, what is the name? Abhishek? What? Kushagra. Sorry. Kushagra. What are the sides of AB, quadrilateral ABCD? What are the sides of quadrilateral ABCD? Name the sides.
AB, BC, CD, AD.
AB, BC, CD, AD. Okay, sit down. All of this.
Excuse me, sir. Which topic are you doing here?
This topic is similar triangles, chapter 6.
So, sir, there you are behind, right? That day we were doing word problems there.
That is over. Okay.
Okay.
Here we are
Yes.
doing the chapter triangles. Okay. And over
Okay,
there,
sir.
we have started doing trigonometry.
Okay.
Okay. No, this is just started with. Okay, Priya? Now, here, so similarity, look here once again, just started only, listen carefully. Now, over here, corresponding angles are equal. Sarvesh, what is the meaning of corresponding angles equal?
Angle A is equal to angle B.
Angle A is equal to angle B.
Angle B is equal to angle Q.
Angle B, tell all the angles. Angle A is equal to angle B. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. Angle D is equal to angle S. This is called the corresponding angles are equal. Whenever the triangles are quadrilaterals or any figure is similar, means angles should be equal. Ananya knows everything. That's why she is turning pages and listen it. Sides are proportional. Ananya, tell me what is the meaning of sides are in equal ratio? Tell. I did not hear anything. I only heard. Renuka. Don't know. Next girl. Ratnagiri. Sorry. Ratnagiri. Priyanshi.
B upon
AB upon PQ is equal to CC upon QR is equal to CD upon RS is equal to AD upon PS. Did you tell? What to repeat? Once that means you are not listening in the class now, Namita. Still you are in Ratnagiri.
No, sir.
Then listen. Okay. So, are you followed, Ananya? Ratio. Renuka, are you followed? Sides in equal ratio proportion means ratio between the sides. AB upon PQ, PC upon QR, CD upon RS, AD upon PS. Ratios. Okay. Kushagara, followed or not? Ratio means are the AB and PQ are equal? Not AB and not PQ equal. Ratio between these will be equal to ratio between. Suppose if this is 1/2, everything will be 1/2. Or, sir, what is listening? Or if this is 3/4. So if it is this is 3/4, then all will be 3/4. It may be 6/8. 6/8 is 3/4. Okay, 9/12. That also is 3/4. Understood now? So these two conditions for polygon similar means these two conditions are required. Two condition means what are the two conditions? Corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are equal. What is the other one for same ratio? This much is clear? Yes. Okay. Now, similar figures we are going to discuss about. Ananya, listen here. She is not listening. Next year, call. No. First, come on here. Ishani, see to that she will sit in the front bench. Even you are not sitting.
Oh,
You also sit. No problem.
sir, front bench has a nice feeling.
So then why did we go back? Hello. I asked you to take the notebook of the girls. I don't. You don't know to see about what about the girls doing, not doing it. Okay. Shameless. You just see notebook only. Don't look at them. Sit, come this way. Sure. You're not looking at me, you're looking at the girls. Okay. All right. Okay. Because I didn't expect from you. One day taking homework this much. Okay. Okay, now listen. So this is the conditions coming. Now we are going to talk about similar figures. What is there looking behind? What is there looking behind? They are seeing calicut. So this is only written now. Okay, open now. Look, circles are always similar. Reason. They are in the same shape. There is no side and angle. Okay, circles are similar. White circles are similar. They are in the same shape. So one way. So example you got. Example of circle. Equilateral triangle. Riya, listen now. I will tell you when to open. That you need it. Yes, now put it properly. Sit. This will be okay. No movement. Equilateral triangle are always similar. You will see corresponding angles are equal. Sides will be always in the same ratio. No, what is the meaning of equilateral triangle? Sides are equal. No, if we draw one equilateral triangle of side 3 centimeter, if all three sides are 3 centimeter. Another equilateral triangle of 5 centimeter, all sides are 5 centimeter. So ratio will be 3 by 5, 3 by 5. Understood or not? Yes. Squares always similar. So all sides are equal, angle are similar. Understood or not? Yes. All of you follow now. Rectangles. Angles are always equal, but sides need not be equal. Isn't it? Not in the same ratio. Yes, rectangles may not be similar. Yes or no? Sometimes they are. What you are writing, you don't need to write. You listen. May not be similar. Sometimes they are similar. Have you followed last class? I think I have come the figure. Yes or no? Rhombus. You know what is a rhombus? All sides are equal. Sides will be proportional, whereas the angles may not be equal. Isn't it? So they are not necessary to be similar. Understood, all of you? Okay. No problem. Similarity followed now conditions. Okay. What now? Next is every congruent figure is always similar. What is it? Every congruent figure is always similar. Look here. For example, if ABC is congruent to PQR, that also I tell. Triangle. If they congruent, okay. If it is congruent, what is the meaning of congruent?
AB is equal to
Corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are equal. What corresponding angles means what? Angle A equal to angle B, angle B is equal to sides are equal means what? AB is equal to B, B equal to BQ, BC is equal to R. Are they in the same ratio? No. Why not? If AB is equal to BQ means what will be AB upon BQ will be equal to 1 upon 1, no? Yes. 1 is to 1. Yes or no? Same thing by same thing is equal to 1. BC upon QR will be again 1 upon 1, 1. And AC upon PR also is 1. Therefore, all same equal ratio, no? Understood? Therefore, they are always. So, congruent figures are always equal, always similar. Congruent figures are always similar, whereas similar figures are not necessary to be. So, write in your notebook. After that definition, you not already know. Okay, so right. Every congruent figures are always similar. Congruent figures are always similar. But similar figures are not necessary to be congruent. Similar figures are not necessary to be congruent. Hope all of you followed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Those who are doubt, tell me. Mayuresh, no problem.
Sir, congruent figures are always similar,
But similar figures are not necessarily congruent. Written are not necessarily congruent. Completed all of you? Okay. Now, so this is a condition, page number, take X volume, page number 118. 118. Take a. Samita is here.
Yeah.
Stand up. Introduction. Read. Common figure.
Congruent. Congruent figures. Two line segments are said to be congruent if they are of equal length. Circles with equal radii are congruent.
Radii are congruent.
Squares with equal sides are congruent. Equilateral triangles with equal sides are congruent.
All of you followed what is the meaning of this one? I don't need to explain anything. This all we have done already. Okay, next, similar.
Similar figures. Two similar figures have the same shape but not necessarily the same size. All circles are similar. All equilateral triangles are similar. All squares are similar, and all congruent figures are similar, but the similar figures need not to be congruent.
Are you followed this also?
Yes.
No problem. Sit down. Srikanth, continue reading. Whose is that volume? Where is your volume? Huh?
I couldn't find it.
Fine, then buy a new one. Check in the office if it is your lost property, it is there or not. Okay.
Similar polygons. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal. And
That is
they are
equiangular. Corresponding angles are equal. Another word is called equiangular.
and the corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion.
Corresponding sides are in the same ratio or stand for only no. Some problem here. Okay, below right, read not.
Note, two quadrilaterals, a square and a rectangle having corresponding angle equal are similar if their corresponding sides are in the same ratio.
So if a square and rectangle are need not be similar, is it or not? Okay, the corresponding angles are equal where the corresponding sides are not in the same ratio. Second,
Two quadrilaterals, a square and a rhombus having corresponding sides in the same ratio are similar if their angles are equal.
okay, so corresponding sides are proportional, but there are corresponding angles are not equal, so there is no. Sit down. Okay. Understood all of you?
Yes.
Falgun, read the exercise, control exercise 6.1 that you can do this one. Okay, read. You can write in the volume itself. You don't have a volume, no? Read.
Fill in the blanks using the correct word given in bracket.
Okay.
All circles are dashed. Similar.
All circles are similar. When are they congruent?
And then equal
radius. Okay. Second one, Aditya.
All squares are
Similar congruent. Or no, Priyanshi. Similar. When are they congruent? Their sides are equal. Are you followed? All sides squares are similar. And if they are congruent, when they Renuka, are you following?
yes.
Come and sit with Namita. You know who is Namita? You don't know who is Namita? Who is Namita? Is Namita? You know her?
Yeah.
The way you people sitting up from different India and Pakistan, India. Look at the boys. Oh, look at the boys. They are
So very friendly, sir.
You are very friendly with girls. Come down. Till 5 already 10 students only. They're over there. Do you know everyone? You like it. Okay. Now, next one. So, Priyanshi done now. Next one. Tia. Yeah, read.
All triangles are, all dash triangles are similar.
Oh.
So,
I saw, so what is the answer?
Equilateral.
Equilateral triangle. All equilateral triangles are similar. Okay. Fourth one, Renuka. Read.
Polygons of the same number of sides are similar if A, their corresponding angles are equal.
Equals. And
B, their corresponding sides are proportional.
proportional. Are you followed or not? Okay. No problem.
So,
No, there is no problem. What is your doubt?
Yes, corresponding sides are in the same ratio.
Corresponding side same ratio. I wrote now the ratio. AB upon BQ is equal to BC. Ratio just now I wrote now. In your notebook also is written. Ratio not written yesterday you wrote or not? Then where is it? Who is the table yesterday, man? Srikanth. The table. You. After that, maybe you will only after. See this ratio. That is called ratio. Division of one thing by another. And she cannot give bank calls. Okay, so your problem is done. Purna, your problem solved. Ishani is there.
yes.
Oh, so read the second one.
Give two different examples of a pair of similar figures.
Okay. Example.
Squares and circles.
Squares and circles are similar.
No.
First one is squares. Second one,
Rectangle.
second one is circles. Rectangles are not always similar. Understood? Okay, so there are two examples. One is circles are similar. Second one is squares are similar. Third one, if you want another example, equilateral triangles are always isosceles triangle.
Sir.
Okay, okay, now second, understood or not?
Yes.
Three examples I give, two only they asked. Okay, second one, B part.
Rectangle.
Arrange non, the second one, what is the question?
Non-similar.
Non-similar figures. Yeah.
Rectangles.
Rectangles never be similar.
If are not common.
So then you cannot tell now, sometimes they are similar, no, tell non-similar figures.
Scale and triangle.
Scale and triangle is not similar to scale and triangle. Why, who said?
They are not common.
They exist, but they are not congruent. Why, or never similar?
So rectangle.
Circle and a square, will it be similar anytime? No. Triangle and a quadrilateral, will it be similar anytime? Are you followed? Okay, sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. One, circle and a square. Second one, triangle and a quadrilateral. They never be similar. Understood? Did you write? Okay. They are non-similar. You cannot tell rectangles. Sometimes they are similar. Okay, so you have to tell. Otherwise, rectangle with sides are not proportional. Okay, why? Okay, they are not similar. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then who is the other one? Atharva not given any answers today. He is sleeping. Read.
State whether the following quadrilateral are similar or not. So they are similar. Yes.
How do you know they are
So
similar?
because all sides
Yeah,
are
give the others. You.
Sir, I know.
That's it.
Because all sides are in proportion.
So stand up there. What is the definition of similarity?
Similarity. When two polygons with
Of same number of sides.
sides.
Are they same number of sides?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
When the sides are in equal proportional and their angles are equal.
Sides are no need to tell equal proportion. Sides are in proportion. Equal means equal ratio. So sides are in proportion or not?
Yes.
What is 3 upon 1.5, 3 upon 1.5. And angles are equal.
Oh.
Then how do you come to know if they are similar? Huh? Then your friend also is a yes, sir. He is every second he will change. He was with you, similar. Now he wrote down similar. Are they similar? No. Why they are not similar? Triangles are not equal. Right? They are not similar. Reason is corresponding angles are not equal. Did you write?
Yes, sir.
Notebook now, not there, now you over there. Shortcut. Question paper also you write the answer and come out. Reason is what? Hello? I don't need to see all these things, okay? What is it? No. Reason is not similar, reason is corresponding angles are not equal. Sides are proportional is not enough. Understood or not? Okay. Clear? Okay, you, this Kushagira, what happened?
So how can we know that the corresponding sides are in same?
You check the ratio, you take what is AD. How much? AB is 3 centimeter. What is the other figure? PQ. PQ. AB upon PQ. 3 upon 1.5. That is equal to 2 upon 1. Then check the second one. BC upon QR. Is it same thing or not? 3 upon 1.5, which is equal to 2 by 1. All of them are equal.
Yes.
So that is called equal ratio. Understood or not? Sure. And you are not having a problem. Diya.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have a problem? Yeah. What is the problem? Then why is it yeah? I called. Do you have any problem? I asked. If half thing you don't know, yeah. Okay now. Tushakara, are you following? Yes. Do you have the volume with you? Do you have the volume with you? Actually, you do not take. Okay. Actually, mummy is bring it, okay. So you have to get whenever math lecture is there, one day. No problem. Your friend is there, my he's your friend now. It's not time pass friend. Okay. Hello. Okay, now one count the pages and then let's start. Okay. Yeah, Mayuresh, read the continuation.
Identity of triangles, congruence of triangle. Two triangles are said to be congruent if their corresponding angles are congruent and their corresponding sides are equal
Or congruent. The congruent meaning of congruent means equal. Okay. Corresponding sides are congruent means corresponding sides are equal. Understood or not? Then next one.
Similar triangles. Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are congruent and their corresponding sides are proportional.
Are you all followed? Two triangles are said to be similar. Two conditions. Which are two conditions? The corresponding angles are equal and sides are proportional. Or sides are in equal ratio. Proportional is equal ratio. All of you followed? And below read.
Note, in congruent triangles, the corresponding sides are equal, whereas in similar triangles, the corresponding sides are proportional.
So what is the difference between similarity and congruence? Who can tell? Falgun can tell?
In similar figures, the sides are in proportion.
Sides are in proportion. What is the meaning of corresponding sides are proportion? Their ratios are equal. And in congruent figures,
They are equal.
angles, corresponding sides are equal. Have you followed the difference? Everyone? Yes, Purna, you have followed. Okay, sit down. So what is the difference between similarity? The difference between similarity and congruence is in similarity, sides are proportional. In congruence, sides are equal. That is the difference. Okay. What is the meaning of sides are proportional?
Same ratio.
Same ratio. Sides are equal to one of them. Okay. Understood now? Any confusions are there? Immediately tell. Utkarsh said no confusion. You did not tell, no? Okay, turn the page. Read heading. What is written, Utkarsh?
Me?
You're Utkarsh only, no?
Yes, sir.
Read.
Theorem 6.1.
Theorem 6.1. Okay.
Basic proportionality theorem. Thales theorem.
No, another name of basic proportionality theorem is called Thales theorem. So what is the name of the theorem?
Thales
Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. You will see a lot of places BPT. BPT.
PPT.
Basic. Oh, you have no need to write over here.
Sir, PPT suna sir.
That is PPT is now. BPT over here, it is basic proportionality theorem, short form you will see, okay? Understood or not? Exam, when exam and reason writing, So there are theorem names are there. If names are there, you can write the name of the theorem as a reason. If name is not there, means you have to write the statement of the theorem. Okay, what is the name of this theorem? Basic proportionality theorem. Or Taylor theorem. Anyone you can use it. Okay. Okay now. So the theorem we are going to, there is a star is marked over there now.
Yes.
Star theorem means it is a proof we have to learn. Okay, proof we have to learn. I am going to explain. Okay, all of you close your volume.
Sir, may I read this proof?
I said you close the volume. You close. All of, hello, what are you writing over there? Now listen carefully. The theorem I am going to explain, you should know the statement also. Okay, statement. Okay, now listen. Everything is there now? No, nobody will take it. Now, okay, I'm going to tell the statement, then when I speak itself, you should learn. So then it will be easy to remember. Okay, now I'm going to tell. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, followed what is it? You can visualize even. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersects other two sides in distinct points, meet in other two sides in two different points, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. Should I repeat? If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersects the other two sides in distinct points, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. Who can tell the statement? One. Yes, there, no problem.
No.
No, you then why did you please extract and I don't.
If the lines are parallel to the other side.
Parallel to one side of a triangle.
Triangle, the two distinct
Intersect the
points.
other two sides at distinct points. Then
Then
it divides the two sides in the same ratio. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersects the other two sides in distinct points, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. Three things. Line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then divide the two sides in the same ratio. You can tell now. Always divide the other two sides in same ratio. Yes. Huh? Yes.
Line drawn parallel to one side of the triangle, intersects the
Other two sides in distinct point. Then it divides two sides in the same ratio. Okay. Online who can tell? Online people, unmute and tell.
So what was the question? Can you repeat?
Are you hearing what I am telling?
Yes,
Theorem. Can you tell the statement of the theorem? Not without looking at the book.
yes, sir. So
Tell.
like when one line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle, then that line will divide the two sides of the triangle in same ratio.
That's all. Then divide, then intersects at distinct point, then this line divides the two sides in the same ratio. Okay, so you have to remember the statement also. All of you look at the figure. Now we are going to visualize and you will see with the help of the figure. And if Purna is not listening, I am telling you are not listening and you are telling yes. So there's a triangle is drawn. If a, now what is it? If a line drawn parallel to one side, trying to only draw one. Okay, this is PQ. PQ is drawn parallel to BC. So it's intersect the other two sides in distinct points, meeting at AB at point P and BC at Q. Then it divides the two sides in the equal ratio. You can tell what is the equal ratio? What is the equal ratio? Yes. AP upon PB will be equal to AQ upon QC. If these two lines are parallel, these two ratios are equal, that's all.
Yes, sir. Very easy.
Okay, if PQ is parallel to BC, then what you can conclude? AP upon PB will be equal to AQ upon QC. Are you followed now?
Yes, sir.
So, what is the give? Now look at the theorem contains, whenever you write the theorem, there are, Renuka is not listening seriously. Oh, you came over here, that's why I'm making no friend. And listen now. If you are not following, tell me, I'll explain again. Are you following? Okay, sure. Now, yes, what happened now? What I have to explain?
So this, that.
That is the thing I am telling. The theorem contains, there are 4 to 5 parts are there. First is called the statement of the theorem. Just now I said. What is the statement of the theorem? If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersects the other two sides in distinct point, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. Now, after that one, you have to draw the figure. Then you will write what is given on the figure. What is given? In triangle ABC, what is parallel to what? EQ is parallel to BC. That is called the given condition. After that, you have to write to prove. After given, what you have to write? To prove. What you have to AP upon BB. Are you followed? Yes. I will ask you end of the expression. You come and explain. Okay. Now, after to prove, the next part is called construction, if any. It's an optional. Optional means if required, you have to do, if not required. Here construction is there. After construction, we will prove. Okay, proof will write. The construction is coming in this way. Listen here. We draw perpendiculars.
Sir, but is there any need?
Is there any need to draw perpendicular? If not required at time pass, you think you are doing?
Sir, extra work. Sir, we put the
Oh, okay, prove it.
AP is equal to BP.
AP equal to BP. How do you know AP equal to BP?
Yeah.
How did you know AP and BP are equal?
Sir, proportional.
Proportional.
Sir, I thought we are given.
Yeah, everything is given now. So then we will sit and talk only now given. It is not like, mommy cooked the food and kept away. My work is to eat. This you have to cooking also to do. Okay. So we are doing the cooking now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the first construction done? We have drawn QR perpendicular to which side? AB. QR is perpendicular which side? AB. What is the meaning of perpendicular, Renuka? What is the meaning of perpendicular?
Sum is 90.
Sum is 90 degree. Only making an angle 90 degree. Okay. RS PS is perpendicular to what? One more. Now you will ask why again. So we will join.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the construction, Sanmitra? What is the construction? Tell us.
Again draw perpendicular.
Again draw.
No, sir, it's joining.
QR perpendicular to AB, PS perpendicular to AC, join PQ as CP. That is the construction. All of you followed that also?
Yes, sir.
Okay, why construction done and done? This man asked, now we need to prove this one, that I will explain. Okay, this much is clear?
Yes, sir.
To do this one, now listen. Do you know what is the area of a triangle?
Half into basic
Half
height.
into base into height. All of you followed?
Yes,
What's
sir.
the area of a triangle? Pakka, sure, later on tell no sir. Namita, what is the area of triangle ABC?
Half into base into AD.
Huh?
Half into base into side.
Huh.
AD.
AD is the base. Half is the
Sorry,
base.
1/2.
1/2 is called half. Then
BC. AD.
So half into BC into AD. Okay, half into BC into AD. Understood or not?
Yes.
Half into base into height. Okay, now, Aditya, you are feeling sleepy or?
Yes.
We are doing the triangle and all, we are doing feeling sleepy. Come here. He's sleeping. Nights you don't sleep? Night you sleep out? What time, what time you slept last night? 12:30 till 12:30, what was the IPL watching? Then
Instagram reels.
Not yet. Look at the triangle AB. Have you seen triangle AB? What is the area of triangle AB?
Half into BE into AD.
So half into B into AD. Okay, sleep is gone now? Okay. All right, otherwise I'll maybe shift to the other side then. Sir. So half B into AD. Understood or not?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Falgun,
Yes, sir.
what is the area of triangle AEC?
AEC.
Okay.
Sir, where is the perpendicular?
We have to draw a perpendicular, isn't it or not? She says we don't need. Yes.
Half into EC into AD. Sir, why I was.
Half into EC into AD. From one vertex, you can draw only one perpendicular. What is that perpendicular? AD. Okay.
Sir, but you told triangle AEC, no?
Hero, listen.
Sir, triangle.
Hey, hero, listen. Perpendicular may not be inside, it can be outside also. Like for example, if I draw the triangle this way. Okay, PQR. If I draw the perpendicular means you will not get the perpendicular to here. What will you get over here? You will extend this one and draw. Understood or not?
Yes. Sir.
So what is the perpendicular? PL.
Yes, yes.
So perpendicular can be outside of the triangle. Understood or not? No. Yes. Now tell me, Falgun, what is the area of triangle AEC?
Half into AD into.
And the first is help base. Half into EC into AD. Are you followed now? Yes or no? Okay. Everyone followed. So perpendicular can be drawn outside also. This much is clear?
Yes.
He's poking him. Kushagra, first day itself we started all this. Huh. School also they do the same thing. Naughty man.
Yes. Sir, even my unit, sir.
No. Okay. At the course and onwards you do this one. You are not still same thing only. Let's see. Let's see today onwards you'll see. You are right. Okay. He will change your. Okay. Chalo, look here. So why I said this much you have followed now?
Yes, sir.
So perpendicular from a point, how many perpendicular you can draw? Only one.
Only one.
Okay, base will change, perpendicular, all of you are in, perpendicular was remaining the same, AD. No problem?
No, sir.
Now, I am going to start the proof. Construction is done, now you are going to prove. Now look. What, you know what is written here?
Yes, sir.
Area of triangle APQ. What is written? Area of triangle APQ. Okay, I will take the base as AP. Base as AP. Then what will be the height? QR. That is equal to half into AP into QR. Are you followed, all of you?
Yes.
Area of a triangle is equal to half base into height. Are you followed?
Yes.
Yes or no? Now. You are followed now? Now.
Like we can also write PS.
Did you follow what is it? PS is the base is AP then. Perpendicular is coming from here now. If base means from the opposite side perpendicular come now. Do you know what is the area of this triangle?
In RPS
RPS.
or it's
Area of triangle ABC.
half into base into.
And what is base and
Base is BC and height is AS.
AS? Is it PR? If it is PR means what is the base? AC, half into AC into PR. If you consider base is this one, the height is this one. Understood or not? Same way, if you consider this one base, what is the height? QR. Understood or not? And if perpendicular see now. So understood now? Now look, next is, listen carefully. Next triangle I am going to take it as triangle BPQ. Have you seen triangle BPQ?
Yes, sir.
Identify. Purna, listen. When I tell, she will do something else. After that, she says, I have it up. Triangle BPQ. Have you seen?
Yes.
Can you find out what is the area of this triangle? Let's see. Sir, yes, who is that? Listen. Yes. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes.
Half into BP into QR.
Okay. You.
BP into B2.
BP into
B2.
BQ.
PQ कहाँ से आएगा?
This one. This is the.
See,
If you take base, look here. Base is BP.
Sir, we need to draw.
Then, listen up. Base is BP means third vertex is here now.
Yes, sir.
From here is there a perpendicular is there or not? Already perpendicular is there now. It is outside. So half into BP into QR.
Yes, sir.
What Falcon said is correct. Are you following or not?
yes.
See, base is BP. The perpendicular is drawn to that side means it is not inside, it is outside. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
That's why previously I drawn the figure and shown. That is half into BP or PB into QR. Are you followed, all of you now?
Yes, sir.
Now are you followed? Yes. Now, next. So we are now we are going to divide, not you are the one.
So,
Now she. When I drawn this one, sir. Now, no sir, no. In between, you look here like this. Do you know what a triangle BPQ have you seen? I don't know. Have you seen the triangle BPQ? This is B, this is P, this is Q. This is called the
if we
triangle.
take base as BP, we have to take the height as PQ, right?
PQ. This is not perpendicular. Do you know what
We
I
have to
mean?
take the perpendicular as well.
So, but then what is the height mean? Perpendicular is something else, no? Perpendicular. Understood or not? Okay. Now look here. We are going to divide. When you divide, what we get? Area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle BPQ. What is when you divide? What did you get? It's half and half will be can. Now she QR. No, I'll throw you out from the class now. Stand up there.
I was just checking
Yeah,
whether-
Mr. Come here. You think I am doing time pass over here? I when after I explain, answer not followed. You are doing something funny thing over here. What are you checking over there? What I did? I asked you to write something. Then today it's the 10th time you are irritating me. When I explain something, she will do something. After that, sir, I don't know. How many times I said when I explanation is going on, listen over here. If this one I no answer will get from me now. When I am explaining, you look over here what is going on. That is the way studying on them. I will do something else. After that, sir, not followed. That is the way you have to do. You are not a small child, okay? Close that book. This is not the first time. Every time when I explain, she will open the book, something you will see. And after, sir, I am not followed. Sit down and listen over here. Now, what do you do over here? Division. What will cancel? Half and half. What is cancel? QR and QR. What is left out?
AP is equal to P.
AP upon PB. Are you followed now? Not that when I write, I will sit over there read. After that, I will not follow. This is the attitude you have. All of you followed?
Yes.
Now this much is done. Next is, we are going to take again area of triangle APQ. This time I take the other side as the base, which is the base AQ. So what will be the height?
Yes.
AQ into base height is equal to PS.
Yes.
Half into base into height. Are you followed or not? Everyone?
Yes,
sir.
Now this time I am going to take a next triangle is area of triangle CPQ or CQP. CPQ or CQP. Have you seen CPQ? Look at the figure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me what is the base and height.
PQ.
PQ is the base. Height means from here at
Yes.
half into CQT into
Yes.
Are you following now?
Yes, sir.
Are you following now? So concentrate, then you will learn. Understood? Everyone followed? Now same thing we are dividing. Area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle CPQ. So divide, what is cancelled? Half is cancelled.
And PS is P.
Therefore,
AQ is equal to QC.
AQ upon
QC.
this much no problem.
No, sir.
Those who have problem, tell me. We have done the major part. Okay? Now,
Yes.
next is we are going to look over here. We need this or no? We need to prove this or no? We got this and we got this one. If these two are equal, means this side should be equal. Yes or no? The check this side. Numerator is what? APQ and AP. Denominator is what? PPQ and CPQ. That should be equal, then only you can. Now, how to take this one means? This property you have not studied last year. The property is called triangles with the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. I repeat the statement, listen carefully. Triangles with the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Look here, I'll explain with the help of the figure. I have drawn two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PBC. They have a common base. What is the common base? BC. And they are between the same parallel. Are you followed? I repeat, triangle ABC and triangle PBC are two triangles with the same base and between the same parallels. If they are, that means they are equal in area. So what is the area? Which area is equal? Area of triangle ABC is equal to PBC. All of you followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sure. Yes, sir. If you not follow. Okay, then look at this figure. There is another pair is equal. Those who know raise hand. Yes.
APB.
APB.
ABC.
APC. APC, no?
Yes, sir.
Are you followed? See, AP is the base and they are between the same parallels. Therefore, which is equal in area? APB is equal to APC. Followed all of you?
Yes.
Okay, this much is clear. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Followed. Now, next is, now look at this one. Here, can you tell which are the triangles equal in area? Look at this figure, parallel and parallel. I'll mark the parallels. Yes, tell. Tell, yes.
Triangle PCQ and
PCQ and
PPQ.
then tell in the order no. CPQ and PPQ
Yes.
are in order, same, yes or no? Or another pair equal. Another pair.
The angle PCB and angle QEC.
QCB. See, when you listen, you know now how it is getting. Now, this is the thing I am telling always. Listen, then you will understand. Not instead of doing all this work. Are you followed? Now, we need which one? We need these two. Which two we need? These two. So the next step you will write triangle BPQ and triangle CPQ are equal in area because they are with the same base PQ and between the same parallels. Are you followed?
Yes.
Therefore, LHS of 1 and 2 are equal. Is it or not? Denominator we put equal. Numerator same thing only now. LHS of 1 and 2 are equal. If LHS of 1 and 2 are equal means RHS is equal. What is RHS? AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Hence proof. Are you followed, all of you?
Yes,
This is the theorem, important theorem. Sometimes it's come in the exams to write the proof. Then you have to write. Are you followed or not?
Yes, sir.
From this chapter, there are 4 theorems were there, out of which 2 theorems proof is been deleted. So this is an important theorem. Even 2 or 3, I don't know, I'm not sure. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Who can explain the proof? All of you stand up. Yes. Who can explain the proof? Then we nobody followed the proof. Followed.
I don't know.
But don't know then somebody else will explain. Tanmitra,
Yes, sir.
are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain?
Yes.
Then why you're not telling I have done? I have to call? Falgun?
Yes, sir.
Not sure.
I think I know.
Then tell her, it is not that punishment or something, no. Yes, I know it. Who else? Atharva, can you explain? Okay, sir. If you want, I'll explain. How about this one, Kishan? Not Kishan. Shrikant. 2 minutes you need. Okay. Kushagra, difficult. Follow. Then Priyanshi. Yeah.
Sir,
You don't tell anything. You can explain. Yes. Oh, very good. Because it's looking at others. You have a doubt. What is the doubt?
The book in the final part, like at the end,
Huh.
after doing all these steps, at the last can we write from 1 and can conclude that if we
First you prove these are equal. After that you will write LHS of 1 and 2 are equal.
by the theorem that's said.
Sit down, all of you.
thank you, sir.
Ishani. Thank you. Okay. Listen once again, all of you look at the board. Quickly, I will explain since it is there. Okay, next class I'll ask you to explain. Hello. Theorem. I'm going to tell the theorem. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersects the other 2 sides in distinct points, then it divides the 2 sides in the same way. All of you followed? Okay. Then given figure, first we'll draw the figure, then given condition. What is given? In triangle ABC, PQ is parallel to BC. Okay, in triangle.
Can you repeat?
In triangle ABC, PQ parallel to BC. That is only the given condition. Okay, line drawn parallel. To prove, what is to prove? AB upon BB is equal to AQ upon QC. Of that also followed.
Yes, sir.
Construction. Draw PS perpendicular to AC. QR perpendicular to AB. Join BQ.
BQ and
Join
CP.
That also no problem.
Yes.
No problem. No. Prove. Area of triangle APQ is equal to half into AP into QR. This can be half base into height. Area of triangle BPQ, half into BP into QR. Same reason. Dividing, we get area of triangle APQ upon BPQ, half of gone, QR gone, AP upon PB. That also followed all of you. That's the first condition. Next, again, area of triangle APQ, half into AQ into PS. Area of triangle CPQ, half into QC into again PS. Divide both of them, you will get APQ upon CPQ equal to AQ upon QC. Second condition, all of you followed this one. Remaining thing I did not write, I am going to tell. Triangle BPQ, and triangle CPQ are having the same base PQ and they are between the same triangle. Therefore, they are equal in area. Which are equal in area? Area of triangle APQ and area of triangle CPQ. Therefore, LHS of equation 1 and 2 are equal. Hence, RHS are equal. Therefore, AP upon PV is equal to AP upon QC. Are you followed, all of you?
Yes.
Now your doubt is over. Everyone's doubt is over.
Yes.
This proof you can learn.
Yes.
Very easy, sir. Very easy. But learn. When did you write?
What?
When did you write yourself?
Now.
Oh, not now. Next lecture, next class we will ask. The proof is given in your book itself. The same proof. Atharva, no problem. Now you sleep is shifted to you. No. It's clear now, all of you?
Yes.
Sir.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Huh?
Sir, in the first, sir, in the second step in the proof, sir. Yeah, the QR part only, yes. How did you get QR there?
Look here, this is base. Look at the triangle. This is a triangle now.
Yes.
This is the base. So perpendicular from here draw. That is a QR. If
Okay.
you understood, if I take that base over here, this is the triangle now. B, all of you be quiet. Now you have to draw the perpendicular now. How
Yes.
will you take perpendicular from here? Perpendicular will not come inside now, it will go outside. And extend this one. That is called perpendicular. Understood or not?
Okay, sir, yes. Got it.
That is into QR.
Thank you.
Utkarsh,
Yes, sir.
followed or not?
Yes, sir.
Oh, smart boy.
Thank you, sir.
Okay now? No. Shani, why you are talking? Nothing about color. What? Huh. To apply basic proportionality theorem, what should be given?
Sir,
PQ is parallel to BC. If it is PQ is parallel to BC, what is your conclusion? AP upon PV is equal to AQ upon PV. Reason you will write basic proportionality theorem or Taylor theorem. Okay, now understood or not?
Yes.
Okay, you have to just check whether parallel or not. Is it P is the midpoint?
Sir, what?
Not necessary. Is it Q is the midpoint? Not necessary. Okay, it is only parallel. This is parallel to this one. You got the one. Okay, now all of you. Yes, Mayuresh. Yes, sir. What is sir? What is the race? Huh? Mayuresh. You are not able to see. Can you see now? I have marked another parallel. Can you see what is parallel to what? Are PQ is over now, another parallel is marked. Namita, PB. QR is parallel to AB or PB. Yes or no? That's the thing you are telling.
Yes.
QR parallel to AB. Okay, understood or not? Yes, apply Falcon BPT. This is parallel to this or no? So AQ upon QC is equal to log B. That is, this is parallel with CR. What is it one? Yes or no? Where, what is it? CQ upon QA is equal to CR upon RP. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Look at the figure now. Now it's parallel now. So what we get? CQ upon QA is equal to CR upon RP. Okay. Now, if that line is there, means you cannot remove and do it. Okay. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
sir.
This Renuka is not listening on.
Not here,
Huh?
not here.
You have what is not clear? Look at now basic proportionality and look. This is parallel to this one. CQ upon QA is equal to PR upon RB. Are you followed now? Okay, sure. Sure, Pakka.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, now this one. Renuka. What is parallel to what? Renuka, what is parallel to what?
This is parallel to PR.
Very good. So apply basic proportionality theorem. Yes, apply. Start with the third letter C B R
PR.
upon R C is equal to B P upon P A. Are you followed? These two are parallel. So starting vertex is here. VR upon RC is equal to BP upon PA. Followed all of you? Okay, sure.
Yes.
Still problem?
Yes, also.
No problem now.
No.
Simple now.
They-
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Later don't tell so it is complicated. Srikant, what are you talking? One color. Acha. Yeah. Atharva is talking.
That is right ratio anything.
Acha, Mayuresh is talking.
No, he is talking.
He is talking. Hey. Look here. AP upon PG is equal to AQ upon QC. Yes or no?
Yes.
Take it reciprocal. What will you get?
PP upon AP is equal to QC upon AQ.
So also you can. It's not necessarily this by this. This by these people. This by. Are you followed?
Yes.
Followed?
Yes, sir.
Now, I am going to add one on both sides. Can we add one on both sides?
Yes.
Yeah, why we?
Yes.
Sir, but why?
Why my very much?
Why?
Listen, can we add or not?
Sir,
No question of it. Huh? Why we look here now?
Fine, now, bye.
So why not? So that means I can add. This there is no problem now.
Sir, but it will hurt.
You will. Is there any problem? No.
No, sir.
Take it LCM.
AP.
What is it? AP plus BP is equal to
AQ plus. Sorry. AQ plus QC.
yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Look at the figure. What is AP plus BP? AB upon BP is equal to AC upon QC. Okay, we got another relation. Look at them.
Sir, what is this?
AB. Look here. That is enough. Look at the figure that we are going to learn. Look. AB upon PB is equal to AC upon QC. You are getting another relation now here. No.
I'm not understanding.
No.
Acha, the PPR content.
Understood or not? PP cut. And look at the figure. AP plus PB equal to AB. Yes or no? Understood or not? See, look, there is another relation you got. Now, look over here. AP's corresponding part is this side is which one? AQ. PP's corresponding part this side. QC. AB's corresponding part is AG. Are you followed? I repeat. AB's corresponding part is AQ. PB's corresponding part is PC. AB's corresponding part is AC. That means all of you follow.
Yes, sir.
Now, how to take? You don't need to remember this all. If I take it as, look, AB upon BP. Have you seen AB upon BP? Take the corresponding part other side. AB's corresponding is what?
AC upon.
Upon.
CQ.
What is this? Look at there now, what is this? The corresponding ratio. The corresponding, all the ratios will be equal. If I take AB upon BP, then the corresponding part will be AC upon CC. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
If I take it as AP upon AB, then what will be the correspondingly?
AQ upon
AQ upon AC. Are you followed?
Yes.
Okay. If I write BP upon AP,
CQ upon.
what is CQ upon AQ or QA? Okay. Are you followed, all of you? No problem. These are the only for to get these all, what should be given? PQ's parameter. These all properties are called corollary. Yes. Corollary to the theorem. Listen here. What is this? Let all of you stop now. CORO, corollary. Okay. Corollary to the theorem means any property obtained from a theorem. What is the basic property? AP upon BP is equal to AQ upon AQ upon CQ. From there only these all properties you are getting. These are called corollaries to basic proportion. Understood or not? So if you can write any ratios, not only one ratio, this one. Are you followed, all of you? These are the basic proportional theorem and the corollary. In the exam, it is asked theorem means there's corollary, you don't. Be quiet now. In the exam, when you ask basic proportional theorem, you don't need to write. Till that, the proof I asked. Okay, no corollaries to write. Are you followed, all of you?
Yes.
Do you know what is the meaning of converse?
Yes.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Given will change to prove and to prove will change to given. Okay. So what is given and to prove will come? What will be given then?
Sir,
AP upon given condition will be AP upon BP will be equal to AQ upon CQ. Therefore,
to prove parallel
PQ parallel to BC. That statement form I am going to tell. Listen carefully. I did not ask to open the volume. Who asked to open? It was open. That means you.
Excuse me, sir, I have a doubt.
What is your doubt?
Sir, for corollary, if that comes in the exam, so first we need to prove AP upon PB and AQ upon AC, or can we just write PP?
You see the mark. According to the mark, if it is a 2 mark means directly prove. Okay, no need to prove the theorem. If it is a 5 mark and not first theorem, you do. Okay. Generally, they will tell you. Okay. Now, listen. Converse of the theorem. Listen carefully. If a line divides two sides in equal ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Who followed? Sir. Once again, I tell. If a line divides two sides in the same ratio, then that line is parallel to the third side. Are you followed?
Yes.
Okay. What is the? I repeat once again. If a line divides two sides in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Means what is the ratio that are equal? Given condition is AP upon BP and equal to AQ upon CQ are equal. Therefore, what you can conclude? Therefore, PQ is parallel to BC. Do not confuse. Basic proportional theorem parallel is given. Therefore, ratios are equal. Converse of PPT, what will be given? Ratios are given. Therefore, the line is parallel. Are you followed?
So can you prove this also?
No need of proof. Okay, proof is
Why?
not. It's not required to do it. Who wanted the proof? You wanted the proof?
Yeah.
The proof I'll tell you. Who wanted it? Neil wanted now. I'll give the proof for you. It is there required. Okay, it's now for the examination point. It is not there. You wanted the proof. I'll give the proof. Okay. Later you tell me. I'll give. Then I will ask you to explain. Okay, proof is there. Don't worry. Every theorem has proofs are there. Okay. Now, then. Service. Okay, that figure, we need to apply BPT. What is given, what to prove?
PQ given PQ is parallel to BC.
Very good. Therefore, what will you get? Using BPT, what will you get?
So we get AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon 2C.
All of you followed? Yes, sir. That's the way to identify. Okay, sit down. Namita, Shrita, Namita, stand up. To apply converse of BPT, what will be given?
A line is,
I look at the figure and tell what is given.
PQ is divided.
Right. Sir.
Convert AP upon PQ is equal to.
AP upon
PB, sorry,
PB.
is equals to AQ upon QC.
Very good.
Therefore, PQ is parallel to BC.
Did she tell that one?
No.
Then for you to leave.
No.
Okay, understood. So to apply. So. So look here, for applying converse of BPT, what is given? AP upon BPT
is equal to AQ upon CQ.
Therefore, what you can
PQ upon BC.
PQ is parallel to BC. Have you followed all of you? Yes or no? You have to identify what? Sometimes if the question is prove PQ parallel to BC, for that one, what you do? Say check the ratios are equal. If the ratios are equal, immediately what? Therefore they parallel. See converse. Okay, Renuka. Are you followed? Okay, sure no? Not followed, tell me. Okay. Hello, Purna. Are you followed? Sure. Following now. Listen always. In between, don't do anything. Okay now, Mayuresh, hand is okay. Hand is paining. Huh? Okay, Utkarsh. One corollary tell. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Tell.
Sir, when we add,
No addition subtraction, we tell the corollary. Anything tell now this side? No.
sir.
There's a lot of
Yes.
answers.
Oh, by happy.
Sir,
Just a minute.
Yes,
Sir,
no.
I know, sir.
No.
Sir, AB upon PB.
AB upon
PB
PB
is equal to AC upon CQ.
That is it. No need to do the ratio which is required. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Now, another is other
So
one.
it will be AB upon AB and AC upon.
Is, yeah, repeat.
Answer.
Huh.
AB upon AB.
AB.
Yes.
Upon.
AB.
Okay, I'll change them. Okay. Tell me.
AE upon AB is equal to AM upon AC.
Very good. Okay, any ratio, what is around is correct. If it BE upon AB is equal to BE upon AB equal to
C upon
C upon AC. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Neil, one corollary tell.
Yeah.
Get from this figure, he's looking the book, cheating. Look over here and look. One
What do I
corollary.
have to say?
Huh? What do you have to tell? Corollary. Understood all of you? Tell corollary, one of them. Tell.
B
Yes, AE upon AB is equal to AF upon AC.
Tell. B upon AE is equal to CF upon Okay, hope all of you follow.
Yes, sir.
Take the exercise 6.2. Please asking what is the time?
No, sir.
Then.
How many exercises?
Huh? Okay. Taken?
Yes,
sir. Okay. Here. Solved exercise. Utkarsh, read the first question.
Which one?
Unsolved exercise, na?
So,
122.
if in figure PQ is parallel to BC, AB is 3 centimeter, BP is 6 centimeter, and CQ is 5.3 centimeter, find AQ.
So check how do you do? What is parallel to what?
PQ and PC.
PQ is
Therefore, you can
parallel to BC.
apply
PPT.
PPT. So by PPT, what will you get?
Okay.
Okay. If you have
Sir,
problem,
3 centimeter.
PQ parallel to BC. What all values are given? Check.
Sir,
Then,
AP is 3 centimeter. BP is 6 centimeter. CQ is 5.3.
5.3. What do you have to find out?
AQ.
This value you have to find out. Okay.
Yes.
This one. Okay. So then only the direct proportionality theorem now.
Yes.
AP upon BP. So right, given. Where given? Given. PQ parallel to BC. AP is equal to 3 centimeter. BP is equal to 6 centimeter. CQ is equal to 5.3 centimeter. Yes or no? These are the given conditions. To find. What is to find? AQ. Yes or no? Solution. In triangle ABC. PQ parallel to BC. Reason given. This is the way to write the step. Therefore, AP upon BP is equal to AQ upon CQ. Reason. Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. Are you followed, all of you? Yes. Nobody responding?
Yes.
Then replace the value. We have the value of AP, of which 3 upon BP 6, AQ we have to find out 5.3. 3 and 6 is cancelled 1 by 2. Cross multiply. AQ is equal to 5.3 upon 2.
So,
Ah,
yes, sir.
How it was AP upon
AP upon?
BQ, because there is no line of BQ.
So then it is BP only, na? AP upon BP is equal to AQ upon CQ. Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you followed, all of you? Sure?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
100%.
Those are followed, stand up. All of you followed? What people?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, to solve this, can we also like do it like that? BP upon AP is
Why you
equal
need
to.
direct? Why you direct? No, we did something shortcut.
But sir, then if we will get the ratio as 2 upon 1, so we can multiply 5.3 by 2.
Then same thing only we did now 5.3 by 2 now.
But sir, we can also
Wait,
do it by that
Why
method.
why you did the change? That is shortcut. It's same thing only you're writing. You want to write BP upon AP CQ, same thing only na. What difference is there?
Okay.
Same only na. No need. If it is coming this way, direct things, direct right. Don't take any new things. Okay. No problem.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, all of you follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So nice people. Smart people.
Yes, sir.
Time over now.
Yes, sir.
That is close the book. Go for the break.
Thank you, sir.